So how do you notice in practice that even one missed or delayed route can throw off the entire schedule?
Well, what you see is that nowadays a lot of drivers have the knowledge in their head. And it's not been properly recorded what has been changed in the recent times. And they know the specific details. They know that they need to go to a certain address and do something extra. Or they know that a certain street is not available for a certain period. And when you do it in that way, yeah, it really depends on the people you have, what quality you deliver. And everything is interconnected. If one driver is late, yeah, you need to fix it. Someone has to go and help him. But you can't do it because you don't know the progress.
And how does the dual platform add value to that challenge?
Well, what you see is that if you record all the details of a route in Joule, you actually make it easy for drivers to switch routes. They can see all the details that are and the specifics they need to act in another route as well. And that makes it much more flexible for the planners and for the drivers to do the work. Next to that, we have something which is collaboration. We can see the progress, and drivers can see each other's progress if they share the route. So you can help each other.